All right, here I have a 2025 Subaru Limited with a 2.5 liter engine. If you just want the quick information on the oil change, it takes 4.7 quarts of 0W16 synthetic oil, or you could use 020 in a pinch. And then the oil drain plug torque is 31 foot-pounds. If you want to see everything, you can stick around. Here on the left, you have your dipstick. On the middle, oil filter. And then on the right, you have the oil fill. And like I said, it does take 0W16. But you can use 020 in a pinch and then change it out next oil change. At the bottom here, you got your 17 millimeter drain plug. And then when you fill it up with 4.7 quarts, you want to check that you're on your dipstick, the oil is between these two dots. And then to reset your oil life, if you have these double screens right here, you're gonna want to slide over to maintenance right here. And then it has, this isn't set up yet, but I'm going to try to show and explain how this is done. You can press default on engine oil, and then when you go, it'll start counting down after that. And then that's basically what they want you to change it at every 6,000 miles. If you press reset here on the corner, it'll take off all the information, and then you have to put in everything manually again. So don't press reset if you have something. Then you can click on this if you want to set up your own distance that you want to be reminded. But usually if you just press default and then it goes down to 0, you could just press default again and it'll reset it back to 6,000. Here I'm just trying to show that if you press reset, it erases all the info. So don't press reset unless you just want it to be blank. All right, so if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.